What's important in selecting a personal injury lawyer is, do they focus in this particular area of law, or do they try to handle a bunch of areas? The area has become so complex, so difficult, and the issues are ever evolving that if your lawyer is not devoted, focused on handling only personal injury cases, then you're doing yourself a disservice. The other factor you need to look at is the experience and tenacity of the lawyer. Too many lawyers just are looking to push paper to try to get a quick settlement. And certainly there's times where it makes sense to settle a claim, but not in every instance. And there's some instances where it makes more sense to litigate the claim. And if your lawyer is not willing to litigate the claim on your behalf, take the case to trial, your insurance company or the insurance company is going to know about it, and they're going to undervalue the claim. So look to the experience of the lawyer, look to the tenacity and track record of the lawyer, and also just how involved the lawyer is in your claim. We all have support staff. They handle a bunch of very, very important functions like gathering medical records, assisting clients. But at the end of the day, you should be able to talk to your lawyer. You should be able to see your lawyer, and you don't want to be handed off to a paralegal after your first visit and never have substantial contact with your lawyer.